Arena in San Juan. This is the 13th point of Abigail Maraño.
And the sets of Esperanza really on the mark this time here in the fourth set.
They've settled down in that third, and since then they have looked sharper and crisper than how they looked in the first two sets, to the dismay, of course, of the UST fans here who have been a little bit quiet the last couple of sets.
Nanahimik eh.
Oh, diba?
And I like the way De La Salle is playing their front line. You can see Maraño and the rest, Gumabaw, spotting their attackers from the other side from UST. I like how they mark them, especially Maraño taking charge. Alam mo, malaking bagay yun for the center line, for the center players. If your middle blocker is telling you, ito ang bantay mo, ito, that really gives you a big advantage.
Service error, though.
Told you, kanina pa yan.
Giving as we call it, a free point to La Salle.
Pangatlo na yan.
Walang kahirap-hirap. Michelle Gumabaw now sets up for her serve. 17 serving 12. Ortiz. Gohing was there, but nobody else was.
Quick attack.
Nice attack there from Ortiz. But you gotta get your serves in for UST. This one looks good though.
There's a little bit of a wet spot here at the La Salle side that the coaching staff is trying to point out. Swiped off the block. And pupunasan na nila dito.
Michelle Chu hitting it off the block. Great set from Esperanza all the way from the back.
It is 18 serving 13.
Ganda ng serve. A bit too low.
Yep, exactly. This time for Chu, the open hitter. Maru! Linagyan niya ng konting buwelo pero not hiding the block.
Solid block by Reyes and Esperanza. Let's have another look at it. Ayun, Reyes talaga.
Prompting Coach Oji to call a timeout.
UST.
Nagugulat kayo. Sino nag-set nun? Okay. Pag umatake kasama nyo, lagi may coverage. Bigyan ng kumpiyansa. Ikutan mo. Ha? Huwag ka papalo A-quick, running or BP ka lang. Loren, damn set please. Damn set please, coverage please. Habol tayo.
Habol natin. Go! Habol tayo.
19-13 is the score. La Salle ahead by 6, but down a set here. So namimintang makukumpleto ang ating weekend ng mga 5-setters.
Kasi sinimulan mo eh.
Ganun talaga.
Umpisa pa lang, binanggit mo na.
Ganyan talaga. Sinasabi ko lang na ano yan eh, it's an omen. It's a good omen for season 75. Baba nung serve. Abigail on the running serve. Hindi na nga pinansin ni Coach Ramil. Nag-apologize si Abigail. Hindi na tinignan ni Coach Ramil.
Sabi ni Coach Ramil, anong pumababa? Nag-net nga.
Ingrid Reyes is back for UST. Set. Chu makes something out of it.
Look at the coverage of La Salle.
Umimprove talaga.
Very, very tough to get a ball past this defense of De La Salle.
Kaya sabi ni Maru,
doon mo dadalhin sa likod. Kasi tayo pa na nandito sa harap. Finally, Maru gets a point off a clean hit. Kanina pa yan laging nabablock or tumatama sa block.
mukhang may substitution dito.
Crucial.
Coach Ramil at a crucial point, ha? Pero wala muna. 15 serving 19 muna tayo. Gohing sends it to Esperanza. Quick to Reyes. Not the perfect set, but good enough. And Reyes and Lantin had something to say to each other.
Oo nga, no? Parang sinasabi ni Reyes kay Lantin, sige, bumulak ka pa.
The younger sister of Cha Cruz, who has now recovered from her ACL injury, if you remember,
That's right.
from last year.
She's back.
So, hugot talaga ni Coach.
And they're
Marvin
looking at the
Jesus.
sister.
I'm sure she's nervous for her. One of the reasons why she actually extended another year.
To play with her sister.
Play,
yeah,
with
that's
her
true.
sister. Unfortunately, Sien got injured, but now back and healthy as Tunay sends it to the other side. Underhand set to Galang. Galang unable to put it away still. Marubanatikla. Bumuelo.
Ooh, free
Maranyo.
ball.
Free ball. And UST finds a spot.
Good rally. And De La Salle just missing out on that dig.
Oh, my mistake. That's the other sister. That's Sien. Thank you, Jem Ferrer, for correcting me.
So there's three
Oh, it's Camille that's right who got injured. How can I forget? Camille who got injured with the ACL. Sien is the twin. Reyes puts it away in the meantime.
Quick by Reyes.
Reyes being very active right now over at the net. Getting most of the sets and delivering for De La Salle. So, Ateneo watching this game.
Everybody is. Nandyan nga yung mga player ng FEU, di ba?
Kanina.
Oh, dyan, nanonood. Coach Roger nandito. Lahat nanonood yan. And season 75, the UAP Women's Volleyball. Masyadong dikit sa net. And it's a 6-point lead.
Timeout.
De La Salle really tough right now. Back to their usual self.
May binigay na instruction, specific yun. Sinong babantayan mo? Hindi ka makaka-block sa kanya, ang layo siya sa'yo. Tapos mo, tapatan mo, tumapat ka. Nung anong bola, lumipat ka na naman. Sundan mo siya, harangan mo siya. Okay?
Tara ka. Yung bayan.
Kayo mayaw. Ayaw eh.
Ayun lahat.
Wala. Bola pa over. Hindi mo pwede kunin sa ilalim. Mauna ka na dun sa babagsakan niya sa kamang palusot. Saga.
Shaq Cruz. Of course, she's gonna lose her voice after this game, but so what?
Diba usually, yung mga parents, yung mga kapatid, or yun yung mas kinakabahan. Pagkakausap yun, like, for example, I used to talk to Bong and Ravenna
Mozi.
nung bago pa sila si Kiefer. Mas kinakabahan pa sila kaysa doon sa anak sa mga unang laro.
Just like how Chai's feeling right now, I'm sure. Off the block.
That's UST point.
Banatikla, off the block.
Inaangal si Abigail, but they let it go. The lead is still at 5.
She was saying that it hit the tape, not her hand. Ball 6 though.
It's out. It's out. Good decision by Maranyo. And Cruz, 2 points away from extending it to the 5th set. Well, like we said in the 3rd set, Rosal wants to win because obviously they have to go the full route. Sabi ni Direk Abet, kaya nga sabi nila, long weekend now. Yan ang long weekend. Lahat ng laro. Extended to a 5th. Quality games here. Competitive games. Good decision that time by Ingrid. The last split second.
Oh, a new sub coming in for UST. Cortez. First appearance of the match. And she is sent back out.
It has to
and
be.
then back in.
Alam naman merong protocol.
Protocol.
Kailangan maayos. Hindi pwede yung mga Ian Laurel style na
Diretso na.
tatakbo lang sa service area.
Kailangan pa bang anuhin yung, yung card?
Sa sobrang excited.
Ito na, sabi mo. Ito na, pagkakataon na to.
Back set. Gumabaw. Sends it to the corner to give them set point.
Hard play.
And a chance to extend it to the 5th, and Chu will come back in. Lucien
Alam mo,
Cruz.
maganda dyan, dapat may kasabot ka na teammate mo. Pagkasali nung card mo, ipatago mo na. Para hindi ka
wala
na
nang
matap.
balikan.
Hindi ka na
Wala
matap.
nang balikan, ano? Kaya pala wala nang pinapalit sa'yo dati.
Hinahanap yung sub card mo, hindi na makita.
Kahit na gusto ka ng palitan ng coach, hindi nila magawa. Caballero.
Oh!
At off-speed, surprise the LaSalle defense.
LaSalle only needs one more point to secure this fourth set.
And extend it to a fifth. Sabi nga nila, makisama naman daw kayo. Lahat daw
Long
nag-5
weekend
sets.
nga eh.
Lahat daw nag-5 sets.
Alam mo, kayo lang ang
Sama.
swerte. Oh, nice dig.
Yep. 5-point lead still. Caballero checked at the net. Buhay pa to. Tunay sends it to the other side.
Oh, free ball.
Over-received.
That's a free ball.
Over-received, yep.
USC not giving up.
Oh, yeah. No room for error, though, for them. Especially from the service line.
Nako, napa-timeout si...
To ice.
yes.
To ice the server.
Coach Ramil calls this timeout.
Namadali natin. Ayun yung matapos yung laro. Ha? Siguro tayo. Tingnan naman po tayo pagkaganon. Pwestuhan. Hindi ganun. Nababasag yung depensa eh. Wala pa din. Gumalik yung bola. Wala kasi kaming posisyon. Basta lang tayo sa loob. Okay? Isang receive tayo. Pagkatapos, i-organize mo buti ko anong set. Bahala ka kung anong set gusto mo. Okay? Anong play gagawin mo. Ha?
Go! Hey, sabawi natin isang puto na! Go! Hey!
Chant the USD side, following the chant from the DLSU side. 24-20. Carmela Tunay. Originally from St. Paul College, Makati. She's the recruit. Q. Oh! Layo naman. Malayo, malayo. Eh, ano yan eh? It looked like a jittery attack. A jittery kill.
Ayun, parang nag-stutter siya eh.
Oh,
His
yeah.
approach niya, and that sent her really off, her timing off. Wow. Let's see how this unfolds.
Oh! Didn't we say that? No room for error, especially from the service line.
I think that really cost them that set, those service errors.
And really, in all honesty, did you expect anything less between these two universities?
Opo is on to fifth.
Let's admit it. LaSalle, the defending champions, crawled back after being down 2 sets. The pressure back fifth set is underway after these.